Hey there! If your TikTok says no internet connection, even though your internet is working fine for YouTube video, well, if you find your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working for other apps but not working for TikTok application, you need to watch this video to solve this problem. Now, to solve this problem, tap Setting, tap Apps, now tap on Manage Apps. Now look for TikTok. Now scroll down and you need to check Restricted Data Usage. Now choose Wi-Fi and SIM card. Now go back, now tap Clear or Cache and Cookies. Now you need to switch your network preference. Now if you're choosing Wi-Fi, you need to switch to a mobile network, and if you're choosing a mobile network, you need to switch to the Wi-Fi network. Now open up TikTok application. Now here, as you can see, the problem is solved. If you still have issues, please let me know in the comment section.